FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And what we're going to do in this video, guys, we're going to break down the top 5 strategies for handling losses in any market. So it could be forex, it could be stocks, options, futures, whatever you trade. All right. So we're going to talk about how to handle losses. I don't see a lot of videos about how to handle losses, because at the end of the day, we're going to all have to deal with losses. So as traders, we all know that losses are a part of the game. It's part of trading, but it's how we handle those losses that can make a big difference in our success. So in this video, we'll share some proven tips and techniques from successful traders on how to stay calm and focused, learn from our mistakes, and move on to the next trade with confidence. Now, these strategies are not only practical, but they've also been tested and proven to work by top traders around the world. So if you want to up your trading game, don't miss the entire video. Let's go ahead and jump into the handling of losses in trades. So we're going to break this down obviously into 5 different tips for you. Okay, so 5 ways to help with losses. Again, everybody's going to have them. So let's talk about these strategies. So the first one is essentially accept that losses are part of trading. No trader is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes and experiences losses. You cannot get away from that. It's going to happen. Hell, you're going to have losing streaks. It's important to accept this fact and not let it shake your confidence. Remember that even the most successful traders have their share of losses. There are traders out there, guys, that are professional traders, that they do this for a living. They've been doing it for 20 plus years, and they literally have losing months, losing quarters. The difference between them and the regular retail trader is that they know that over an extended period of time, right, over the entire year, if they follow their plan and they follow their strategy that they've been trading, they know that it's going to be a profitable year for them. Another tip is don't dwell on your losses. It's natural to feel upset or frustrated when you experience a loss, but it's important not to dwell on it. Instead, take a step back, take a deep breath, and refocus on your trading plan and strategy. Remember, the market is constantly changing, and there will always be new opportunities to make up for the losses. And this is exactly what professional traders do. They know that if they have a bad month, that's just what's going to happen. But they know over the long term, right, there's going to be new opportunities. And so what I see happen a lot is that retail traders, as soon as they take losses or they go into a losing streak, they start just absolutely the trading plan that they have, that they wrote down, that they back tested, gets thrown out the window, and they're just literally looking for any possible trade so they can go ahead and try to start making up for that money that's lost. And at the end, you end up, probably taking more losses in the long run. So you make it worse. It's very important to learn from your mistakes. Losses can be a great opportunity to learn and improve. Take the time to analyze what went wrong and what you could have done differently. This will help you avoid making the same mistakes in the future and improve your overall trading performance. Ask yourself this: how many of you guys that are watching this video right now, every week that goes by, how many of you are reviewing your losses? How many of you are collecting the data to begin with? Because most of the people don't even collect the data. So when it's time to review, you don't even have it to begin with. So you don't know why you took the trade. You don't know anything. So very important that if you're going to learn from your mistakes, you need to make sure that you're collecting the data So that way you can go ahead and review it at the end of the week. Okay, you should be reviewing your losses at the end of the week and figure out what happened. Why did I get into this trade? Why did I lose this trade? Are the losses that I'm having, is it something that's in common with each other? Am I doing something repetitively over and over and over again that's leading to me taking these trades that end up being losses? This one's very simple, guys. Use a stop loss. Okay? A stop loss is a tool that automatically closes your trade at the predetermined level to minimize potential losses. This can help to take the emotion out of trading and protect your capital. I don't know about you, but I've seen a lot of people, a lot of retail traders not use stop losses. And I just don't understand why. Because you're only making it worse. There's no such thing as a mental stop loss, because the mental stop loss keeps getting moved every so much as price goes against you. So you have to understand that when you go into every single trade, before you even get into the trade, you have to know your risk. You have to know the risk. You have to put a hard stop on your trade, because at the end of the day, if you don't manage the risk by using the stop losses and the correct lot size for your account, after a few trades, you're not going to have any capital to trade. Your job as a trader is to preserve your capital that you have to trade, because without the capital, you cannot trade. Last one here, guys. Keep a positive mindset. Okay, it's important to maintain a positive mindset and to not let losses affect your confidence. Remember, every loss is a learning opportunity and a chance to improve. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay positive, and you'll be able to overcome any obstacle and achieve your actual trading goals. One thing that you have to understand, guys, is that you're the only one that can control your emotions. You're the only one that can control your mindset when you're trading, when you take a loss, when you take a win. Think about the opposite of what happens when you're winning. And let's say you go on a win streak of 4 or 5 trades. How are you feeling? Now compare that to how you're feeling after you take 5 straight losses. Okay? At some point, you have to have some type of risk management plan that allows you, okay, to when you get up to 5, 6, 7 trades in a row that you've won, which is fantastic, right? You need to be prepared and expect the loss coming, because it is coming. And so what I see a lot of traders do is that they get so confident in what they're seeing after 4 or 5 wins that they end up on the 6th or 7th trade that they take, they end up putting on a bigger lot size because they have so much confidence and they think that they're not going to be wrong. And so what ends up happening is that you end up over leveraging the account on one trade setup. And then that one trade setup that you over leverage and use a higher lot size is the actual one where you take the biggest loss. And that one loss literally wrecks everything that you've done in the past, 5, 6 trades. So think about what kind of emotions you go through when that specific scenario happens to you. What is your mindset when something like that happens? So you have to remain focused and keep a positive mindset. You cannot let one trade control your emotions and your discipline to keeping track of your actual plan. So guys, I hope this video brought you just a different way to hopefully help you deal with losses, because at the end of the day, like I said, we're all going to deal with them. Okay, but we can take the losses. It's just how we keep the mindset and the discipline of taking losses. How does it shake our confidence? Okay, if you know what you have in your trading plan, you know that you're looking at the longer term, and one trade is not going to determine your entire trading career. One trade doesn't say that you suck or that you're the best. It's a collection of trades over an extended period of time, whether it be 6 months, a year, whatever. So stay focused, stay confident, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.